Born into a working-class family in Rosario, Argentina, Lionel Messi's journey is one of sheer determination, grit, and a relentless pursuit of a dream. Little did the world know that this humble beginnings would give rise to a football legend. As a child, Messi had one passion: football. He lived it, breathed it, and dreamed it. The football field was his playground, and it was there that he felt most alive. But just as his talent began to shine, life threw a curveball. A diagnosis of growth hormone deficiency threatened to derail his dreams. His family, despite their limited means, were desperate to afford the costly treatment. Yet, in the face of adversity, Messi's love for football didn't waver. His unwavering commitment caught the attention of FC Barcelona. They saw a spark in the young boy's eyes, a spark that held the promise of greatness. In a leap of faith, they offered to cover Messi's medical expenses, a move that led to his migration to Barcelona at a tender age. Against all odds, a young boy from Rosario was about to set foot in Barcelona, not knowing he was destined to become a legend. In the hallowed grounds of La Masia, Messi honed his skills and emerged as a prodigy. At the tender age of just 13, Lionel Messi was thrust into the bustling world of Barcelona's famed youth academy, La Masia. Here he was not just another youngster with dreams of stardom. Messi was a diamond in the rough, a prodigy awaiting the right guidance and opportunity to shine. La Masia was known for nurturing talent, but Messi was something different. His natural talent, combined with an unyielding determination, saw him rise rapidly through the ranks. He dazzled coaches with his uncanny ability to control the ball, his vision on the field, and his knack for scoring goals. Before long, Messi's name was on everyone's lips at the academy. The young Argentine was setting the stage for a debut that would send ripples through the world of football. At just 17, Messi stepped onto the field as a senior team player for Barcelona, making him the youngest player to represent the club in an official competition. His early successes were not without struggles though. Messi faced the daunting task of proving himself in a team filled with established stars. His first goal, a clever lob over the goalkeeper, was a statement of intent, but the road was not always smooth. Messi grappled with injuries and the pressure of expectations, yet his indomitable spirit saw him through, turning obstacles into stepping stones towards his ascent to footballing stardom. Despite these challenges, Messi's first few seasons with Barcelona were nothing short of spectacular. He won the hearts of fans with his mesmerizing performances and the respect of his peers with his humility and sportsmanship. Messi was no longer the shy boy from Rosario. He was becoming a force to be reckoned with on the global stage. Messi had shown the world a glimpse of his potential, but the best was yet to come. Messi's magic transcended borders, captivating millions and etching his name in the annals of football history. His journey, a captivating tale of extraordinary talent, is marked by a plethora of awe-inspiring achievements. Amongst these, the glittering crown of the Ballon d'Or holds a special place, a prestigious honor he has claimed a record-breaking 6 times. His time at Barcelona, a period spanning over 2 decades, has been nothing short of phenomenal. From the nerve-wracking debut to the tearful farewell, Messi's career at Barcelona has been a roller coaster ride of thrilling highs and challenging lows. His indomitable spirit saw him shatter numerous records, including the most goals scored for a single club, a staggering tally of 721. But Messi's influence extends far beyond the confines of the pitch. His humility and resilience serve as a beacon of inspiration for millions worldwide. His philanthropic endeavors, particularly through the Leo Messi Foundation, have made significant strides in improving access to education and healthcare for underprivileged children. The essence of Messi, however, lies not merely in his staggering statistics or his profound influence off the field. It is his passion, his unwavering love for the game, that truly defines him. It is this passion that has seen him conquer every obstacle, surmount every challenge, and emerge stronger time after time. From a kid with a dream to a global icon, Messi's journey is a testament to the power of passion, determination, and unyielding spirit. The tale of Lionel Messi is far from over. Now he has taken his talents to Paris Saint-Germain, adding a new chapter to an already illustrious career. Messi's journey, brimming with resilience, dedication, and an unquenchable thirst for greatness, continues to inspire millions around the globe. His legacy isn't just about the records he sets, or the trophies he wins, but about the passion he brings to the beautiful game. In the world of football, one name reigns supreme: Lionel Messi, a boy from Rosario who dared to dream big and became a legend. Lionel Messi's journey is a testament to the fact that dreams do come true. If you're inspired and want to explore more stories like his, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got a vast array of content that will thrill any football enthusiast. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and become part of our football-loving community. Remember, every legend has a beginning. What's yours?